Let's say you have a light that you'd like to automate rather than just have a local control like that. You could screw in a smart bulb, but you'd have to be sure that the power is always left on or your automations won't work. So what you could do is just put a cover over it like that so no one can touch it by mistake. But that could be a problem if you still want to be able to control it locally. Well, you could add a second switch like this, right? This is just a stick on, you stick it anywhere. But that gets a little confusing, especially if it's multi-gain. So what about this? Take this off, put this adapter on here. There we go. So you have local control. Power is always left on because the switch is still in the on position. And automation control. Plus you can always take this off if you wanted to walk around with it and do something. It's all magnetic.